Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shrishti Mishra. This is my new channel. I want you all to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be uploading videos every single week. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So since this is an Amazon haul, the only product that I wanted to buy for so long is this M Caffeine body scrub. I have heard so much about this product. People have been talking all about this product. So this is the packaging of the product. The packaging is really good in quality. This is the scrub bottle. This is a glass case, and this is the product that's inside. It smells like coffee. I'm a great coffee lover, so I think this smells really amazing for me. There is a wooden spatula inside, which is really cute, very cute, and overall I love this product. I would definitely recommend anybody wanting to buy this. This is the Go Glow Activated Charcoal Face Pack from Super Smelly. This is zero toxins, zero silicones, parabens, sulfates, everything free product. Smells like chocolate, purely chocolate. I've used this, I think what people say is exactly right. This gives you that instant glow on your face that you need, like this. And overall I think the product is great. It is not that pricey. I will put down the price. Next up is this. I needed a face powder that I could apply just every day, not worry about wastage and things. So I got my hands on this Fit Me. This is the Matte Plus Poreless powder, up to 12 hours long lasting, and then it has SPF 28 plus, which I think is amazing. Let me show you. This is the packaging of the product. This is super inexpensive. I got this for 159 rupees, which is a steal deal, I think. This is the puff that was inside this. I've used this product many a times until it arrived because I was super excited about it, and apply it every day, just normal, apply it on your skin, just go outside, no worrying, no issues. Next up product is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, yet again the primer. I must say I'm not very happy with how this primer is. This is very creamy in texture, but I don't think this does the job of a primer very well. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. Inside there is this tube. This is the packaging, and it comes with a very sturdy cap. The packaging is really great, no doubt about it, and I don't think it does the job pretty well. I thought of getting my hands on the Color Bar one. Since that was out of stock, I got next product. Has to be something about hair care, because hair care is also something important. I do not test much on shampoos, but I definitely can try some serums out there, and this Extraordinary Oil serum has been a game changer for me. Many people talked so good things about this product that I had to get my hands on this. This is a glass bottle. You can see I've already used this much of product. I just use it every day. Tames down my frizz, makes my hair very smooth, shiny, and I think that's all you need in a serum. And you can also use it as a heat protectant before straightening or curling, anything. So this is an all-round product. Is a setting spray. For the longest time I've been in search of a good setting spray, so I just saw this online. This is alcohol free, paraben free, sulfate free. This is keratin, flaxseed, aloe vera, chia seed, rice water, and everything. This is a natural hair holding mist that it claims, but this did not turn out that well for me, as in it did not hold my hair that well, so I would not recommend. The next product is this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick, which is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, which is in the shade 18 Divine Praline. The packaging, the basic sugar packaging. Inside you get this full-sized lipstick. Wand of this lipstick is also amazing, and this is a very long lasting lipstick. I must say the shade is definitely amazing, and if you want to get your hands on an amazing festive lipstick, this is the one. A lip care item, which is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I got 50 rupees off on this product, and as soon as I saw the deal, I just couldn't resist myself. I know 50 rupees is not that much, but you know, you've heard so much about this product and you just can't stop yourself from buying. This is the basic packaging, and you know, the good thing about this is very thick, and you know, instantly repairs your lips. My lips are very chapped and you know, very dry, so this really helps my lips overnight, you know, giving them a good shine as well as softening, smoothening your lips. The next up product is the Mamaearth aloe vera gel, which contains vitamin E also. Just look at the packaging of the product. I think it's super amazing. The pump bottle gives a plus point at all times, I think, and this product is paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, and also color free. This is you know, exactly what aloe vera gel is. Now I think this product works for all skin types and for your hair as well. This is an amazing product. If you want to get your hands on any aloe vera gel, get your hands on this Mamaearth one. And I think Amazon also provides great deal on Mamaearth products. Check that out.